Drove it since I was 16 to high school. Gradually kept building it a little more and more until we got into X275 and Street Outlaw. Alan Phelps from Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's a 91 Mustang GT. We've been currently fastest has been a 440 flat at 170 mile an hour. Been pretty consistent. Car goes 440s pretty well anywhere we go. Struggling a little bit with it right now, but we're working on it. We've run NMRA off and on for, well, since I was 16. We've had probably about 14 years of it so far, off and on.
We noticed you're running the Holley EFI. Can you elaborate a little more on that?
We were using some more ancient material and wanted something a little better. Took all that old electronics out, put one box in, never looked back. We've had no issues whatsoever. Anytime we ever have a question, we can contact somebody at Holley and they take care of it, and we're back together. It's not an issue. I've done some of it. Jesse at Jesse's Garage here in Bowling Green has done majority of all of it. He's done all the chassis work and the tuning on the car. Of course, the engine is from Jeff Burns Racing's engines in Tupelo, Mississippi. It's currently a 408 small block, single turbo, 88 millimeter, fit for the class, with a T400 transmission by Proformance Transmissions. It's on RC component wheels with Holley EFI. It is automatic with 400. We've been more into the outlaw racing this year. We're number 3 in the points for X275. And as far as the NMRA and stuff, we haven't steered into that much this year, but we're looking at more of it for next season.